I'm the marketing coordinator here at Allshelter. I'm here with Pedro, our project manager, to discuss how long a fabric shelter should last for. So Pedro, what are some key considerations when it comes to how long a fabric shelter should last for?
Good question. That all depends whether it's been engineered to the correct wind region or not, and whether your shelter is second-hand. The main difference is the steel. You'd want to ensure that you're using quality steel, preferably Australian. You know that steel lasts forever, and the cover, you want to ensure that it's UV resistant. You'll notice with a lot of the cheaper imported shelters, they just don't stand up to the Australian sun. One of the things you want to ensure is that your supplier can provide you with replacement covers.
What's a key thing to look out for in purchasing a quality shelter?
With a quality engineered shelter, you'd expect for it to come with warranty. Minimum of 5 years. At Allshelter, we offer 10-year warranty on all of our shelters.
How long should I expect the cover to last for?
Look, it all depends on how you install it and the care you take. A well looked after cover can last you up to 20 years.